Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick review, swatch, and tutorial on the Balm Cosmetics TheBalmJour Creamy Lip Stain in the particular shade Konnichiwa. So there are 8 different shades and they are all named after ways of saying hello in other nations, but this one is the Konnichiwa shade. In my opinion, this shade in particular comes out to a warm brown nude, and it's definitely neutral, especially for my skin tone, my medium to tan olive skin tone. Out of the 8 shades, it is the most nude and neutral in my opinion. And here it is on my lips. I'm going to be showing you how I apply it. I did notice that I didn't really have to dip it back into the bottle a lot. Maybe 1 or 2 times was a perfect application. But this retails for $14 for 0.22 ounces of product. It's clutch certified, enhancing, long lasting, it's highly pigmented, and it's a flexible formula. So this lip stains to up your gloss game for a perfect mix of stain and shine with a uniquely flexible formula. The TheBalmJour starts as a gloss, finishes as a stain, and delivers the high pigment payoff of a lipstick. It's creamy, it's moisturizing, and it has a long-lasting staying power. It's super comfortable on my lips. And that's what I really love about the Balm Cosmetics lip products. They're super comfortable, especially for my dry to normal lips. Here it is, or what it looks like from far away with the whole face. It's definitely a neutral, natural shade. And I also want to mention that if you want to try this shade in particular and other shades and formulas, go ahead and get the mini lip gloss kit volume 2 because it does include the Konnichiwa shade. But that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other playlists, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye, guys.